Hey everyone, Karan here. So we've got to talk about a few Instagram updates that happened in March. And in my opinion, these updates are a game changer for the Instagram platform, Instagram users, and the content you create. So we're gonna jump right into it. But before I do, I need you to like this video for me. It only takes a second, but it helps our channel out tremendously. Instagram started the month of March strong by introducing Instagram Rooms. Now, Instagram Rooms is a way to go live with up to 3 guests at one time for a max live of 4 people in total. Now, remember, originally you can only go live with one other guest. So why did Instagram increase the number of guests? Well, according to Instagram, the request was highly requested and they hope that doubling up on live will open up more creative opportunities. And in my opinion, Instagram is right. Check this out. Here are some cool ways brands can start using Instagram Rooms today. The first way brands can use Instagram Rooms is through product tutorials. The stats show that 55% of people make purchasing decisions based on video. Hence the rise in customer POV type commercials and video ads. Now, this same line of thinking can be applied to Instagram Rooms. Simply gather content creators or members of your team and demonstrate the use of your product or service. The second way brands can use Instagram Rooms is through panel discussions. And that's because Instagram Rooms make a great place to host panels, Q&As, AMAs, and a lot more. I mean, even when Instagram launched Rooms, they used it in this exact way and went live every single day for a Stop Asian Hate fundraiser. Now, the third way brands can use Instagram Rooms is for customer interaction. Imagine going live and allowing up to 3 of your customers to join you at the same time. This is a fun opportunity to build relationships and boost loyalty amongst your customers. Instagram Rooms has not rolled out yet for everybody, so keep your eyes open for the feature to make its way to your account. All right, let's talk about update number 2, affiliate opportunity for creators. Now, it was rumored in the past that Instagram was working on an affiliate program for content creators, but we didn't know much at the time. Well, thanks to a recent tweet by a mobile developer, we now have our first look at the affiliate program that will help content creators earn money when someone purchases from a tagged product. According to the photos, it appears that 1, Instagram is definitely working on an affiliate program. 2, you will be able to earn money from both posts and stories. 3, you will have to search for shops and products you want to tag. And 4, Instagram will make it easy for you to find products and shops to tag in the first place. Now, I'm extremely excited and bullish about this future release. Not only will it allow content creators access to find affiliate products and earn a living, it also allows small businesses like yours to have access to content creators that can help you grow your business. This is a game changer. It appears Instagram is making a huge push for shopping on the platform. This push was made crystal clear when Instagram recently replaced the camera button on the homepage with the shop button. In fact, the head of Instagram, Adam Mosseri, recently said the following to Verge magazine when asked about monetization for his Instagram influencers. I think there's a bunch of different ways in which we can help creators monetize. If we want to be the #1 place for creators, we need to make sure that we offer a suite of services that they find meaningful and valuable, as opposed to just one type of unstable value, which is distribution. We now see the steps Instagram is taking towards monetization, and we can definitely expect Instagram affiliate and future tools like it in the near future. All right, update number 3, the removal of likes. Was your Instagram account included in the recent test from Instagram where likes on posts were hidden? If so, it was actually a glitch. Here's what an Instagram spokesperson told CNN. We unintentionally added more people to the test today, which was a bug. We're fixing this issue and restoring like counts for those people as soon as possible. Bug, glitch, mishap, no matter what you call it, it's evident that Instagram is still moving forward with their testing of hiding Instagram likes. Now you might be wondering why Instagram believes the removal of likes is a good idea in the first place. Well, this idea goes all the way back to 2019. In 2019, the CEO of Instagram, Adam Mosseri, explained to BuzzFeed News that removing likes was about creating a less pressurized environment where people feel comfortable expressing themselves. At a conference later that year, Adam went on to say that it's about young people. The idea is to try to depressurize Instagram, make it less of a competition, and give people more space to focus on connecting with the people that they love and the things that inspire them. Hey, I can't argue with that thought process, as the link between likes, anxiety, and self-esteem has been a topic of conversation for quite a while now. Nonetheless, no official decisions has been made, and we can expect Instagram to continue their testing. Alright, update number 4, limited reach for Reels that have a TikTok watermark. I've mentioned in past videos that Instagram prefers native videos to be added to its platform and frowns upon recycled content from other apps. Back in February, Instagram was very direct in the do's and the don'ts when it comes to Reels on its creator's account. According to Instagram, don't post Reels that is blurry due to low resolution, is visibly recycled from other apps, is uploaded with a border, or has a majority of the image covered in text. If you do, your Reels won't be recommended as often to people who don't follow you. Which makes sense, as Reels is a direct competitor to TikTok, and they would like to minimize any promotion of TikTok on their platform. Update number 5, vertical stories. Speaking of TikTok competition, Instagram has also been testing vertical Instagram stories, a layout that's very similar to the one you would find on TikTok. This feature was first noticed by none other than Alessandro Paluzzi. Once again, he provided screenshots that showed text that reads, "Now you can swipe up and down to browse stories." And Instagram confirmed to TechCrunch that the feature is built, but it's not out to the public at this time. Now, whether this feature becomes widely available remains a mystery. What we do know is that Instagram is ruthless in its fight to beat TikTok. Alright, update number 6. Adults can't message teens who don't follow them. To help make Instagram safer for teens, Instagram has rolled out a few new policies. Here's a list of new features they're introducing to help keep young people safe. First, adults will no longer be able to message kids under 18 who do not follow them. Secondly, prompts will appear to encourage teens to be cautious about adults they are messaging. And lastly, artificial intelligence and machine learning technology will be used to better detect someone's age. Now, according to Instagram, these updates are a part of an ongoing effort to protect young people, and our specialist teams will continue to invest in new interventions that further limit inappropriate interactions between adults and teenagers. Well, there you have it. 6 new Instagram updates from March and February of 2021. If you found this video helpful, do me a favor and hit that like button for me. It helps others find this video on YouTube. And subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any of the weekly videos we're putting out to help your business grow. I'm Karan from LYFE Marketing. Until next time.